So currently I am a summer intern here in the baking department of Goodman Fielder. I really enjoy the fact that it has a really awesome balance of scientific aspects and creative aspects. So obviously I'm in the R&D team, so that means we make all of the new products, which is just really incredible being able to see behind the scenes, go to the factory lines and see how products are made commercially. It's mind-boggling to see it being made and then see it on the shelf somewhere and know that you were part of that. As an intern, I don't think there is an average week for me. It's a really fantastic role in that I can sort of jump from team to team and help out anyone. So some days I'm on the factory line, actually watching the products being made. And other days I'm at my desk. Other days I'm down in the lab working on some sorts of experiments. So, food in New Zealand is one of our biggest industries. This is where we make a lot of our money, but it's also an industry that has a huge impact on sustainability. If you look at our climate issues, a lot of them come from food and food waste, and so that's something I would really love to be a part of, and I can see that it's making its way up to corporate. It's becoming an issue that people care about. So yeah. I think in the food industry there's so many different roles. It is so incredibly broad. So there's really a little bit of something for everyone. But in R&D, where I am, I would say a passion for science. You've got to love what you're doing. You don't have to know all the answers, but you have to want to know the answers.